How to change lip color on Snapchat Bitmoji. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open Snapchat, click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Then simply swipe all the way down. It will open this page. Click on Fashion. In Fashion, you will find all these options. Scroll to the left side and you will find brush-like icon. Click on it, then it will open lipstick icon, which is the third option. And from here, you can simply choose any color you want. After you've chosen the color, click on Save at the top right corner of your screen and your lip color will be changed. This is how to change lip color on Snapchat Bitmoji. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.